What do you guys think these are? We have one down here on the lower part of our BA-105. And we've also got another one up here on the upper part of our BA-105. And if you look over at our Bell 206, it also has these two devices. We have one on the chin, or the belly, and we have another one up top. And we've also got this strip of metal leading up to the top one. If we go look at our S76, we can see it does not have those. So why don't you guys post in the comments as to what you think those devices are on the top and bottom of our BA-105, and also on the top and bottom of our Bell 206. Again, you can see it down here. Get you another look at it. You can also see the other one up here. Post in the comments what you guys think these devices are for on these two helicopters.